Good morning, students. Have a nice day to all of you. Today, in the topic nature of matter, we will study about the compound and their properties. In previous video, we have discussed the properties of the elements and the types of the elements. Means definitions and the properties of metal and non-metals and the exceptions case of metals and non-metals. Today we will study about the compound. A compound is a substance made up of two or more elements केमिकली कंबाइंड टुगेदर. कंपाउंड क्या होते हैं? केमिकली कंबाइंड इन ए फिक्स्ड प्रोपोर्शंस बाय मास. ऐसे पदार्थ जो दो या दो से अधिक एलिमेंट से मिलकर के बने होते हैं, यानी उनके अंदर एक निश्चित रेशियो होता है जो कैसा होता है? बाय मास. फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर. The chemical formula of water is H2O. As you can see, water is consist of hydrogen and oxygen. And according to their mass, if we are talking about the mass, hydrogen, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and there are two atoms, so the atomic mass of both the two atoms is 2, and the oxygen which has 16. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, means if we compare both the constituents in water, hydrogen and oxygen, they consist of a simple ratio, that is 1:8. यदि हम पानी के केस में बात करें तो उसके अंदर हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन का जो रेशियो होगा वो 1:8 या 1:8 होगा. Now, some more common example of compounds are the first one is ammonia. The formula is NH3. It means here the ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen, because it consists of nitrogen and hydrogen, means compound is consist of two or more than two elements. So here in ammonia, in the case of ammonia, the compound is consist of nitrogen as well as hydrogen, and the ratio of the, in the case of ammonia, that is atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 or atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. There are 3 atoms, so the total atomic mass is 3, so ratio is 14:3. So this one is the ratio. अगर हम रेशियो की बात करते हैं तो ये दोनों ही कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स का क्या है? रेशियो है. नाउ सेकेंड फॉर्मूला. The first one is ammonia. The second one is carbon dioxide. That is CO2. Now third one is chalk. Chemical formula is CaCO3, or we can say calcium carbonate. Next one is, that is lime or quick lime, that is CaO, or chemically known as calcium oxide. Next, slate lime. Slate lime, that is CaSO4, OH a whole twice. The another one is methane, or we can say it or marsh gas. Chemical formula is CH4, and the another one is glucose. Chemical formula is C6H12O6. Another one is sugar or sucrose. The chemical formula is C12H22O11. And the another one is starch. That is C6H10O5 का n times. Now another one is starch. Starch के बाद बेकिंग सोडा, that is NaHCO3, washing soda, Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Another one is blue vitriol. Blue vitriol chemical formula is CuSO4 into 5H2O. These are some chemical formulas and और भी हैं, अभी देखते हैं आगे. Now next one is sodium nitrate. Formula is NaNO3. Next, potassium nitrate. That is KNO3. Next, potassium sulfate. That is K2SO4. Next, sodium sulfate. Formula is Na2SO4. Next, hydrochloric acid. Formula is HCl. Next, sulfuric acid, also known as kings of chemical. Formula is H2SO4. Next, nitric acid, that is HNO3. Next one is iron sulfide. Formula is FeS. Next one is copper sulfate. Formula is CuSO4. Next, hydrogen bromide. Formula is HBr. Next, hydrogen iodide. Formula is Hi. Next, salt, or we can say common salt. Formula is NaCl, and the last one is sand, silicon dioxide. Chemical formula is silicon dioxide, or commonly known as sand. That is रेत. रेत का formula होता है SiO2. These are the some several compounds. इसके अलावा ऐसा नहीं कि यही हैं, और भी हैं, लेकिन इनको आप इनके केमिकल फॉर्मूले सहित ये इसलिए लिखाए गए हैं आपको कि आप इनको इनके केमिकल फॉर्मूले सहित आप इनको याद कर लेंगे, क्योंकि ये आगे आपको बहुत काम आने वाले हैं. ठीक है. So these are some compounds. Now let's see what are the properties of compounds. Now, properties of compounds. As you know that a compound is consist of two or more than two elements. For example, HCl. In this case, hydrogen and chlorine are the two main components of the compound. So, let's see what are the properties of the compounds. A compound cannot be separated into its constituent component by physical method. Means HCl which consists of hydrogen and chlorine. So physical method, by applying heat or electricity or magnetization, we cannot separate both hydrogen and chlorine from hydrogen chloride. That is the first property. And the second one is the properties of compound are entirely different from those of its constituent element. Let's see. This one is HCl. HCl, it present in the liquid form, whereas hydrogen and chlorine both are gases. Means जो इनके क्या होंगी प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी, चूंकि ये दो एलिमेंट से मिलकर के बना हुआ है, तो दोनों की जो प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी वो बिल्कुल क्या होंगी, अलग अलग होंगी. HCl that is present in liquid state, whereas hydrogen and chlorine both are present in gaseous state. Next one is energy is usually either given out or absorbed during the प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ए कंपाउंड. जब एक कंपाउंड की प्रिपरेशन होती है तो उसके अंदर जो एनर्जी है या तो गिवन आउट निकलती है या क्या होती है, एब्जॉर्ब होती है. नेक्स्ट, द कंपोजिशन ऑफ ए कंपाउंड इज फिक्स्ड. इनका जो कंपोजिशन है, जैसे बाई मास ही यदि हम देखें, हाइड्रोजन और क्लोरीन, हाइड्रोजन का जो एटॉमिक मास 1 है और क्लोरीन का होता है 35.5. तो इसका जो कंपोजिशन है, इनका जो रेशियो है 1:35.5. इट मींस इनका जो कंपोजिशन है वो क्या होता है, फिक्स्ड होता है. एंड ए कंपाउंड हैज ए फिक्स्ड मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. कंपाउंड के मेल्टिंग और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या होते हैं, फिक्स्ड होते हैं. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट द टेम्परेचर एट विच ए सब्सटेंस melts and change into liquid, that is called melting point, whereas boiling point, the substance at which the temperature where the substance changed into vapor, that is called boiling point. So compounds has or have it fixed melting and boiling point, and a compound is a homogeneous mixture. A compound is a homogeneous mixture. देखने के अंदर यदि हम कंपाउंड को देखेंगे तो हमें ये यूनिफॉर्मिटी नजर आएगी, इसलिए कंपाउंड कैसा होता है, होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर होता है. तो दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द कंपाउंड्स. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मिक्सचर and their properties and the example or types of the mixture. Okay, thank you very much. कितनी देर की हो गई?